Hello friends, today we are going to study about different types of polygon. Before starting with different types of polygon, first we should know what is a polygon. What is a polygon? Any closed figure that is made up of line segment is called a polygon, like this. This is a closed figure made up of line segment, then it is called a polygon. We can find many examples of polygon. So first we come to know what is a polygon. Now we are going to study about different types of polygon. On the basis of different things, it is again divided into many polygons. First we are going to study about a regular polygon. What is a regular polygon? A polygon having its all the angles and all the sides equal, then it is called a regular polygon. So first I will tell you equilateral triangle. We know that in an equilateral triangle its all sides are equal and its all angles are 60 degree. So it is called a regular polygon. Then square. We know that in square all sides are equal and all angles are 90 degree. So square is also a regular polygon. If a polygon is only having its all side equal and not angle equal, then we can call it a equilateral polygon. And if all angles are only equal, then we can say equiangular polygon. Now again it is divided into two types, like convex polygon and concave polygon. Now what is convex polygon and what is concave polygon? If look at this all polygons, we are seeing that in all these polygons the diagonals are inside the figure, then we can say that it is a convex polygon. And if the diagonals are going outside the figure, then we can say that it is a concave polygon. I am doing one example, look here. So it's all the diagonal will be inside that figure, so we can say that it is a convex polygon. And if I draw a figure like this, then you can see this diagonal will be this diagonal is outside the figure. This is the diagonal of this figure, A, B, C, D, E and F. So the diagonal AE is outside the figure, so we can say that it is a concave polygon. There are many ways. If you find any angle more than, look here, this angle is more than 180 degree. So if any of the angle is more than 180 degree in any of the polygon, then we can say it is concave. And look here, all the angles are less than 90, so we can say it's convex. Or if I draw a line, suppose like this, if it will intersect at most 2 points, then we can say that it is a convex polygon. If look here, I am drawing a line that is intersecting at 4 different points, so we can say that it is a concave polygon. Means it should intersect at only more most means not more than 2, at most 2 points only. So now we are going to give names to the polygon on the basis of number of sides, means sides and their name. If any polygon is having 3 sides, we call it triangle. We know this very well. If 4 sides, then we call it a quadrilateral. 5 side, then pentagon. 6 side, hexagon. 7 side, it's heptagon. 8 side, it's octagon. 9 side, it's nonagon. 10 sides, it's decagon. And n sides means n-gon, means how much side are there. So you can put that side here and directly add gon at the last. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you again.